Hello guys, welcome to Spot Ara channel. Today I will give you a tutorial how to delete any files from Google Drive. Before that, I wanna ask you guys, how are you? So you don't miss any of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the tutorial. First, we go to the Drive application, and then you can choose the one of the Google Drive account. Click Files and choose files that you want to be deleted. Click this and scroll down until you click Remove. This is a rule when you move to trash, because your file is done about the deleting for permanently, but your files is saved to move to trash. Click Move to Trash and File Move to Trash. And how to be deleted permanently in your file, click the strap here and click the trash. This is the file that you move. Click the three top here and click delete forever, and you can be deleted forever again, and your files is deleted permanently. This is a tutorial how to delete any files from Google Drive. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.